Let me show you what to do if your Google Pixel 10 or 10 Pro is having problems charging. For example, if you insert your cable, it doesn't want to charge at all or charges very slowly, or you can't even properly insert your cable inside, or maybe if you touch your cable a bit, it disconnects and stops charging. So the most common problem why this happens most often is you simply have something stuck in the Type-C charger port, essentially. For example, if you place this phone in a pocket a lot, basically some lint from your pocket or any like dirt or debris you might have pocket simply gets stuffed inside over here. And also if you plug in your cable here, again it's going to stuff it even further. So but it's actually quite easy to fix and clean this. First, let me show you what the inside of the Type-C port looks like and how to clean it properly without causing any damage. So you see in the middle you have one central strip here with tiny connectors, essentially where the cable connects for charging and also data transfer. So the way we are going to clean it, we are going to grab the smallest, tiniest sewing needle you can get. So you see absolutely tiny and very, very thin. So we are going to take our sewing needle, basically insert inside here, and scoop along the edge in a scooping motion, try to get everything out that might be there. And also repeat on the other side. And again, we do not want to go near the middle strip. So let me show you how to do that on the phone. Also, while you are doing it, also I suggest to even turn off your phone as well for extra safety. And also like a toothbrush and a blower as well is very good for this task. Or also you can even grab a flashlight as well and inspect what's actually inside there if needed. Okay, so let's grab our needle. So again, make sure to hold your phone like this, and you see I will insert inside. So you see insert all the way inside, and then in a scooping motion basically try to fish out whatever might be inside there. Okay, so let me zoom in. So you see insert in, and also you can move like this sideways to basically dislodge any junk, and again in scooping motion simply try to get everything out, again while holding your phone like this, and repeat on the other side as well. So you see I have something there actually, so that's why it actually wasn't even going further inside. So you see maybe some lint from pocket here. Okay, so and continue scooping to do fish out whatever is inside there. And another tool that you can use for this is like a simple blower. So you can basically insert the blower like this and simply blow inside, and that will force all the junk outside that we just managed to dislodge with a tiny needle. Okay, and also a toothbrush also is very helpful. So for example, we can insert inside and properly brush it out, dislodge all the tiniest particles in the port. Okay, and again follow up with a blower, for example, or any other way how you can force in a lot of air there to basically get rid of everything. So yeah, and again follow up with a needle, however much you need. And for example, this is what a complete clean Type-C port looks like here. So you see there's nothing there anymore here. Okay. And also obviously you can check the quality of the cable as well, if maybe there's something stuck in the cable itself, because you see there's also like kind of opening here on the cable, so something might also get stuck there. So simply verify if also the condition of the cable is good, if this part is good of the cable. As you bend them over time, essentially they wear down here, basically most cables. And yeah, also check for fit. So you see if you insert the cable, if everything is okay, it should also almost click inside and provide very, very secure hold, essentially. So again, if the cable is okay and also the phone port is clean. Okay, good luck.